Thanks for tuning in to Snake River Rifle Works. On today's episode, we bought an Aloris tool post T-nut, and we sent in the measurements. And today we're going to open the box and see if she fits. So either it's going to be either it's going to fit, or we're going to wish we bought the tap, drilled it, and made it ourselves. So without further ado, we're going to jump into it. So just to show you, I'm going to show you us opening the box. So here. Whew, trying to do that with two hands. This is a nightmare waiting to happen. So far, still got my fingers. Dodged a bullet there. Ooh, my favorite, peanuts. Helps make some Ooh, this is really packed in there. They really did a good job. Look at this. Ooh. There's our 6A T-nut. Let's see if we can open this bad boy up a little bit. Looks like she's machined pretty good. Rounded. Moment of truth. In the comments section, how many think's gonna fit? Oh my gosh. She fit! That's great news. So just to keep in mind, we would have made it ourselves, except our shop is growing, and currently our machine, our milling machine, we had to take it down and put it on a pallet and move it out of the way because we're selling our lathe and we're making some room for some Cerakote, some other equipment. So we just needed to move some things out of the way, and we haven't got it set up yet, but thanks for tuning in.